Hello, my name is Dr. Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And for this video, what I'd like to do is share with y'all some tips and tricks on how to use artificial intelligence to grow your pickleball club business. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. And for tip number one is going to be use artificial intelligence for match scheduling. And some of the ways you can use it for match scheduling is to use artificial intelligence for automated skill based match pairing. So you can match up people based on their skill sets. Another way to use artificial intelligence is to optimize your schedule based on court availability. So put in your court availability, put in your schedule for your players, and you'll see what it comes up with. And the final way to use it in this segment is going to be real-time conflict resolution. So if you got a player that cancels, again, it can go ahead and optimize your schedule or some other type of conflicts. It can go ahead and optimize your schedule and provide you with the best way to rectify the problem, again, using artificial intelligence. The second strategy for artificial intelligence usage for a pickleball club would be for analyzing player preferences. And so one of the ways that you can do it is check out your concession offerings and just plug that information into a artificial intelligence simulator such as ChatGPT. And again, is going to be able to tell you which concessions are being sold best when the offerings are done, and just some overall good feedback based on your concession sales. Another way to use the player preferences would be for amenities. Check out how many people are using different amenities. Do some observations, and plug that raw data into, again, an artificial intelligence simulator, and see what kind of feedback and ideas it comes up with for that segment. And then finally, for analyzing player preferences, analyze the feedback from surveys. One of the things, with a doctorate's degree, one of the things that I did was I did a lot of surveys, and the people that I'm surveying, they're going to give you a lot of good feedback, not only for the questions that you're asking, but they're going to provide you all with some thoughts and ideas of their own as well. You put that information into, again, an artificial intelligence simulator, and you're going to get some good ideas that you can go ahead and build upon for your pickleball organization. All right, let's move on to the last. And finally, for the third area where artificial intelligence could be helpful for a pickleball company, would be for strategic planning. This is one of my favorite ways to use artificial intelligence for strategic planning as well as for business planning. Some of the specific ways you can use it for strategic planning is to predict revenues and staffing levels. So, just plug in the information that your previous sales from the last 12 months, and plug in whatever other relevant information, for example, any scheduled tournaments that you have coming up. And again, let ChatGPT, or as another artificial intelligence simulator, go to work and give you some examples or some predictions for the revenues as well as staffing levels. Another strategic way to use it would be for future expansion locations. So again, if your organization is in a specific area with a specific demographic, then you can use that information, plug it into ChatGPT, and ask it for some ideas or some locations that are similar to the current geographic or demographic makeup of your current area. And then finally, another way for strategic planning for ChatGPT is competitor analysis. Again, go do a little bit of research on the internet and just, put in a spreadsheet of the competitor's name, some of the amenities that they have, and some feedback they're getting from, the Google feedback area, and plug that information in, and then see what ChatGPT can provide you from a competitor analysis point of view. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and pack it up. All right, and in summary, again, my name is Dr. Paul Borosky, owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. Hopefully, these tips and tricks for artificial intelligence were helpful. And keep me in mind, please, if you need some business plan writing services, some business consulting, pro forma financial projections, or strategic planning. My contact information is right here. And yeah, have a great day and be successful.